Dear all, welcome to this session in the SQL account. Hope all of you are doing well. So let's start with this session. If you remember, we were talking in the lesson number 3 about the purchase. In our previous video, we talked about issue a purchase order. Now we want to issue goods received. This when we receive the product from the supplier. So the task 2 we're going to work it today. So how we can issue a purchase or goods received? This is our window. We go to the purchase. We go to goods received. We create a new. We choose the supplier. First we receive from the Deluxe supplier. Then we're gonna to change the date. It's 5th of February 2017. So it's February 5th, 2017. Then instead of we type again this quantity and those products, we can get it back from our previous created purchase order. So how? We can just right click in any empty area here, just right click, transfer from purchase order. Okay, so first we need to choose supplier. Second, we need to get the date. Then we right click to transfer from purchase order. So like this will show us the purchase order from this supplier. You notice we ordered 10 printers and 1 on-site charges, but we receive only 8 printers and 1 on-site charges. So here we can write 8 in this first column. Then we press OK. We will see that all items already come here with the prices and everything is okay. Then we press save. You see, it's very easy when we can retrieve the data from previous created purchase order. Okay, so let's go first. Don't forget to press save. Then we create a new. The second supplier is Lianhuan. Then we choose a date is 10th of February. So it's February 10th, 2017. Then we get transfer from purchase order. We get 1 carton of mouse and 9 pieces of keyboard. So we choose the mouse and keyboard, but it was 1 carton of mouse and 9 pieces of keyboard. We press OK. Also, we see how all the information have been keyed in easily. We don't need to modify anything. Okay. Then we press save. Then let's go to our third purchase order. Third goods received. Also we press renew. We choose the supplier is a New York Mart. And we don't forget to change here. If you remember in our previous video, we put the currency rate is 4.3. So also here we need to change the currency rate is 4.3. Don't forget that. It will show for you. Then you need to change the date. Date is 12th of February. So February 12, 2017. Then again, right click from here. We go to transfer from purchase order. We select what we get, the printer and mouse and on-site charges. 1 pieces of printer, 9 mouses, 9 units of mouse and 1 on-site charges. So 1, 9 and 1, it's same. Okay. Then we just press save. You see it already key in all the items when we just double click, and you right click here and we get from the purchase order. You will notice here those items are written in a green color. I will try with you here to add 1 item out of those which we already get from the purchase order. Let's say we already have the HP laser, Logitech and mouse. Let's add a keyboard. You will notice this item which we didn't get it from our purchase order, it key in a black color, not green color. So here is showing to you what items you retrieved from previous purchase order and what items you key in manually. Okay, this is just for documentation process and following process. So let's remove this item. So yes, we press save. Don't forget you need to key in the 4.3. Okay, the exchange rate you have to key in. So we press save. So like this, we have, when we go to browse, we have these 3 goods receipt. I want to show you one point. If you remember our purchase orders which we created, and now we take from it the information. So if we go to visit any of those purchase orders, we're gonna to see this icon here now. It's called transferred. It means we used some part of this purchase order or the full of this purchase order. We already received the products which was written there, which was ordered there. So like this, our task number 2 and the lesson number 3 already done. I will see you in the third task in the next video. Have a good day. Bye bye.